Brief overview of editing. How's the editing process going? After importing the material, we can view the video with audio in both project and source. We can switch between direct video only and direct audio only at the bottom of the video in the central part in the source window. In order to create the first timeline, we need to move the video from source to timeline. We have a hint like as drop video here to create sequence. What is a sequence? Sequence means a sequence of clips, a cutting of a video. You can click the right mouse button on the timeline and click Reveal Sequence to Project in order to find a sequence. Visually, the sequence is very similar to a clip because it's also scrolled via hover scrub and it's difficult to distinguish it, but the sequence is distinguished by the icon of the video icon, blue mark on the bottom right. How you can move a piece of video to the timeline? So, we took one clip on the timeline, we can trim it. Also, we can drag a part of the video to the timeline instead of the entire video. We need to select the desired piece in the source panel using the initial mark-in label. The brace bracket icon located at the bottom of the video, and then selected the final markout label. The brace bracket icon also located after the video. Then we grab the frame itself and drag it to the timeline. Keyboard shortcuts. We need to click as little as possible and use our left hand as much as possible to use keyboard shortcuts in order to make our work easier. When you hover over the functional icons, hints will pop up with their special key. Mark in, the I key. Mark out, the O key. Next, we import a music track into the project and click on it. It opens in the source panel in drag audio only. Then we select the desired piece through these marks or transfer the entire track to the timeline. Thus, the essence of the editing process is simple. We select the video piece, put them on the timeline, edit music and watch our result. If everything is fine, we will go to the File, Export, Media tab, or we will press Command+M on Mac or Ctrl+M on PC. Select the format, by default it's usually H264. Press it, by default it's Match Source High Bitrate, the place where our clip will be saved, and click Export. Of course, this is fine, but it's not enough to create something good, so we will start to be immersed in the details.